Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're doing very well. Well, today we're studying math and it's still lesson 11. It's unit 7 still, and we will focus on our workbook today. So get your workbooks ready. Page 187 to 188. Of course, get your pencils as well, okay? Today we're still looking at measures, and remember, we're looking at mass, heavy or light. Our lesson objective for today, we want to be able to read the measurements on a scale in kilograms and grams. And also we want to use the most suitable units for different objects. We want to use either gram or kilogram for different objects. Okay, remember we've been having a very good time reading the scale, telling whether an object is heavy or it is light, and today again we're going to see another one. We want to read the scale, okay? And look at the scale. What you do, like I said in the last lesson, check the arrow and look at where the arrow is pointing to. You see that we have single numbers on the scale. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we also have numbers 500, 500. We have about 500s. Then, can you see that we also have some lines in between? Good. Now, these numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are kg. The single numbers are in kg. Okay, they are in kilograms. You will read, when you read your scale and the arrow is pointing to those single numbers, any single number the arrow is pointing to, that means it is kg. That's kilogram. But if it is pointing to the lines in the middle or the 500s, it means it is grams. So let us see where this scale is pointing to. It's pointing to the lines in between. It has passed 3, but it is not up to 4. Because it has passed 3, we will say it is 3 kilograms, and we will now see how many grams we have from the lines in the middle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So it means it is 3 kilograms and 400 grams. Okay, I was going to show you the single numbers we have in the on the scale. They are all in kg. You call them kg, but the ones that are not up to, or that are not the single numbers, the 500, will be measured them in grams. Can you see the 500s? We will measure them in grams. So we're going to try our workbook. I told you today we'll look at our workbook. So let's try our workbook, page 187. Now look at the scale we have here. This one does not have kilogram. It has only gram. So we don't need to worry ourselves. What we will just do is, which number is the arrow pointing to? The arrow is pointing to 400. So here we say we have 400 grams. It means the vegetable is 400 grams. What about the second one? Look at, we have 1,350 grams. Now, you know we can divide this into two. We can say 1,000 plus 350 will give us 1,350 grams, correct? Okay, now we can say this. 1,000 grams plus 350 grams equals 1,350 grams. Remember that in our conversion, 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, right? Good. Now what we will do is, now that we know 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, first we will put our 1 kilogram here, but we are still having 350 grams remaining. Now, the 350 grams is not up to 1,000, so it is still in gram. We will put it in the gram section. All right, look at C. On C, you can see there that we have the arrow is already on 2, is on 2, and no, it is not on 2, it has passed 2, and it is on 500. So because it has passed 2, we say that we have 2 kilograms and how many grams? 500 grams. And let us see the last one. The last one, here we have 2,180 grams. Now, you know, we can also say we have 2,000 grams plus 180 grams. If we add the two, it will still give us 2,180 grams. Now, remember again that 1,000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, then 2,000 grams will make how many kilograms? Good job, 2 kilograms. It will make 2 kilograms. Then in that case, we can say that our scale is measuring this chicken by 2 kilograms. What about the remaining 1,800 grams? 108. Now look at this, our workbook page 188. Let's try to solve it. We have these items and it is saying to us we should take the suitable mass, whether it is gram or kilogram. Remember in our last lesson I told you, for a scale, anytime you have something that is heavy on a scale, it is in kilograms, and when it is light, it is in gram. Look at this brick for building. The brick cannot be in gram, it must be heavy. Okay, and even if it is in gram, the gram must be very high. So this cannot be 90 gram, it must be 900 grams because the brick is quite heavy. Okay, see the next one. There is a cup here, and the cup, we have some sugar in it. The sugar is full in the cup. Will we say it is 35 gram or 350 gram? We cannot say 35 gram because this sugar will be a little bit heavy, right? Good. So we will say it is 350 grams. The tomato must be 150 grams. Do you know why? Because 2 kilograms is too big. Kilograms is for heavy, remember. So we cannot say this tomato, only one tomato is not kilogram. It is not heavy. You can just pick up only one tomato and with your 2 fingers. So it is not kilogram. It is 150 grams. And what about this stapler? The stapler, you pick it up in the drawer, in the cupboard of the class almost every day. So the stapler, is it 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is heavy. 200 gram is not heavy. So which one will we choose? Good job, 200 grams, because 1 kilogram is too heavy for this. Look at this staple pin or this paper pin, very tiny. You can pick with only 1 finger, very light. Okay, so this one, is it 1 gram or is it 1 kilogram? Kilogram is big, gram is small. So is it 1 kilogram? Is it very heavy? Or is it 1 gram? Is it very light? 1 gram, good job. So here we put 1 gram. And look, the last one, it says we have a pepper here. Maybe it's green pepper or yellow pepper or red pepper. But it's pepper, only one. I can pick with only 2 fingers, right? Yes. So is it kilogram? 40 kilogram is very heavy. But we have also 400 gram. Will we say it's 40 kilogram or 400 gram? Good job, only 400 gram, light. So now we have filled all our answers, and you now know how you can choose the correct measurements or the correct unit for different objects. We have learned to read our scale in kilograms and grams, also to use the appropriate units to measure different objects. Okay, students, I hope you had a good time because I did. Remember to always stay safe, fill up your workbook, and stay safe, eat healthy. And till we see again in the class, have a good day. Bye.